Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to stabilize a video on Premiere Pro. But before that, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for this channel, so let's get started. I have my video ready. First, select your input and your output. Go into Effects, type in Warp here. Under Video Effects, just select Warp Stabilizer. Drag this into your video and this plugin should be analyzed in the background. To make it a bit more smoother, move this a little bit down here to see here the results. Make sure you enable that smooth motion and just leave that into 50 or it's up to you. And on the method, just choose from here. Under borders, which is framing, just choose any option that you want. If you want, you can upper the smoothness percentage. After you finish that, go into the sequence and click render in to out, so you can render audio processing and explore that into your own stuff. There you have it guys, thank you so much for watching and I'm hoping that you found this video useful.